Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Colorado hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, typically on the driver's side near the door sill. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You'll hear a click as the primary latch disengages. Now, move to the front of your vehicle to continue the process. Once you are at the front of your Colorado, gently lift the hood a few inches. Reach your hand underneath the front edge, right above the grille. You'll need to feel around for a small lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch, designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally. With your fingers, either push this secondary latch to the side, usually towards the driver's side, or lift it upwards, depending on your specific model. This action will fully disengage the hood. You should now be able to lift the hood completely open without any further resistance. It's a simple but crucial step. Finally, to keep the hood securely open while you work, locate the prop rod. It's usually clipped to the underside of the hood. Unclip it and insert the end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. Make sure the prop rod is firmly seated and the hood is stable before you begin any maintenance or inspections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.